Did you know that the expression ladies and gentlemen does not change irrespective of the people involved? Now, let me explain. If there are 100 men in a gathering and only one lady, it is still going to be ladies and gentlemen if you want to address them. You don't say lady and gentlemen just because there's only one lady. You say lady and gentlemen. No. And it goes the other way. If there are 100 ladies in that gathering and only one man, that only one man there is still going to be addressed as ladies and gentlemen. It is still going to be gentlemen, not gentleman. So it does not change. This expression does not change whether there's just only one man or there's just only one lady. If there's only one lady, it's still going to be ladies and gentlemen. If there is only one man, then it is still going to be ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, and God bless you. Stay tuned as I continue to drop more. Peace.